This workout is called Shadowy Figure. It's going to be a 15-minute AMRAP, so complete as many rounds as possible in 15 minutes of the following exercises. 10 double dumbbell swings, 7 front squats, 4 overhead presses, and then 16 steps with the dumbbells in the rack position carry. I'll show you what one round looks like now, but remember you're completing as many rounds of this in 15 minutes as you can. So those are the swings, transition right to the front squats. It's got 7 front squats. And then 4 overhead presses. Turn the dumbbells, this is the rack position, so we're letting them rest on your shoulders, and then 16 steps. That would complete one round, and you're working through as many rounds of this as you can in 15 minutes.